welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Efwa. In today's video, I'm going to show you my simplest method I use to clear this pimples and dark spot from my face. So if you watch my why I stopped bleaching video, I made mention of how I broke up from wearing mask when I started working. Okay, so join me and don't go anywhere. You will need just two ingredients. The first ingredient is milk. The second ingredient is honey. I didn't even know that I had run out of honey. God. Yeah, so just pour some milk in a pan. If you don't have milk, please go and get some. Okay, then you take just a teaspoon of honey inside the milk, stir, and then apply it on your face. All right, don't mind the background noise, it's my kids playing around. Yeah, so I apply this religiously on my face, and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes to dry completely. All right, so after drying it, listen to this part carefully. After this part, my face was completely dried, so I used dudu osun. If you don't have dudu osun, use black soap, okay, to wash off the milk and the honey. Use black soap. Go and get black soap. That will do the wonders. Okay, yeah, so my face was so nice. My husband said no, he will have to try it on his face too. So he just took the leftover and decided to use it on his face, and voila, let's see how it works. If it worked on him, see, he's completely happy. My God. Thanks for watching. Okay, yeah, you can moisturize later. Thanks for watching. Bye. I love you.